اس وقت میرے ساتھ رچرڈ میکنی کھڑے ہیں اور رچرڈ میکنی وہ ہیں جو مسلمانوں کو قتل بھی کرنا چاہتے تھے اور ایک مسجد کو بم سے اڑانا چاہتے تھے. آج وہ اسی مسجد کے صدر بھی ہیں. ان کی کیا اسٹوری ہم ان سے معلوم کرتے ہیں. What's happened once you want to kill Muslims to now where you are and why you change your mind?
So what I learned about what Islam really was and was shown that through the actions of the community, it changed my whole perspective. And it made me realize that everything that I had thought and everything that I felt was completely wrong. And through that, I ended up embracing Islam. I ended up becoming a person that wanted to share in some of the same beliefs that these people did. And so now I changed it all around. I've started a company called From Hate to Understanding, and I'm associated with another group. We are many united against hatred. Okay, and we just try to change perspectives. Change the narrative, right? And make people believe that change is possible, because it is. I'm living proof.
So, what's the story? Can you tell us a little bit about the story, what happened with you?
Yeah, so I, being a veteran, being medically retired after an injury I received in Iraq, I came back to the United States and just awaited my retirement. Didn't need a job, didn't need anything. I had money, it didn't matter. I devised a plan to eliminate and target the local Muslim community. And I had planned to detonate an IED at the mosque during Ramadan, because I knew they would all be there. And after going into the mosque and meeting the people and learning about what Islam really was, it changed me. And it changed me in a peaceful way. And now I go around and I share that with people.
So right now you are the president of the same masjid where you want to blow up?
No, I am no longer president, because I was in school at the time, and I couldn't do both. I had to do, it's a long story, but I couldn't do my last semester of college and president, so I didn't run for re-election.
President of the same?
Yes.
What was your experience as a president of masjid?
It was tough. It was tough because I'd never been in that situation before, and I feel I did a good job. I was told I did a good job, but it was time for me to go. It was time for me to go, and I nominated Sister Bibi as president because she needed to be president.
So, do you have any message for those who have had hatred against other religions? So, what message you have for them?
Yeah, it's. Number one, you have to get out of your own head. You have to get out of your own mindset. People are stuck in this rut that I believe what I believe and that's the right way and everybody else is wrong. And I'm not going to sit here and debate whether that's true or false. What I'm going to say is that just because you're right doesn't mean the person next to you is wrong. Okay? And we need to understand people. It says in the Quran, Allah made us into different nations and tribes so that we may learn from one another.
रिचर्ड मैकेनी की इस्लाम से शदीद नफरत को मोहब्बत में तब्दील करने में 9 मुस्लिम सियाह फाम और एक मुकामी खातून सिस्टर बीबी का बहुत बड़ा हाथ था. इस वाक़े पे एक फिल्म स्ट्रेंजर एट द गेट भी बनाई गई है, जिसको ऑस्कर अवार्ड के लिए नामजद किया गया था. मुआविज़ा सिद्दीकी, दुनिया न्यूज़, शिकागो.